Guess with the texture.
This is Kalakand.
ये अनफेयर चैलेंज है, ये क्या है ये? नहीं, बर्फी तो इतना तो समझ में आता है मेरे को. So they started in Kerala on a boat. Goa, Bombay, many places. But I'm back where it's really all about food, which is Delhi NCR, and I'm in Gurgaon. And we've got a very exciting brand lined up today. Two brothers representing a very, very old legacy. Started in the 1950s, Home Sweets is a journey where a humble establishment in Old Gurgaon today is synonymous across Delhi NCR. Despite adapting to the times, tragedies and competition, one thing remains consistent: the sweet taste of victory. Is there something you do which almost no one does in terms of a dish?
I think you do the most tasty doda.
Signature is Doda, of course, and you get Doda at many places, but the tastiest Doda you get is at Home Sweets.
And we are the largest manufacturer of doda in the world.
But tell me about this thing called Doda. Doda or Son Halwa, same thing?
Yeah, it's absolutely the same thing. It was originally called Son Halwa back in Pakistan. And when our grandfather came to India and started preparing it in India, a few years later it got renamed to Doda. And that's how it got popular. And just a fun part to share. A girl came to our outlet and she wanted Doda, 2 to 3 kgs, that's it, to celebrate Diwali with her family. So she asked everyone around in the staff, and nobody could help her with that. And then she found me standing there and she came up to me and she was like, मैं अगर बिना डोडा के घर गई तो मुझे कुछ नहीं देंगे. That is the love that people have. कि आना है अगर तो डोडा लेके आना, नहीं तो नहीं आना.
How old were you when you joined?
I joined 10 years back after my graduation in London.
Till then, who was running? Your dad was running?
My dad and my chachas.
Got it. Same with you?
Yeah, 24, 25 when I joined. Before that, I was in Bombay for a couple of years.
You're doing modeling then?
Yes.
Freelance modeling, and I was doing theatre.
So, what's your favorite sweet?
Mine happens to be Doda, Kaju Katli and Chana Dry Fruit Barfi.
Milk cake.
Milk cakes.
It melts in your mouth like...
Mine is, the Kalakand, which is there.
It's similar.
So, एक चीज़ करेंगे, ये हमारी टीम है ना, ये मेरे को हर बार कोई चैलेंज मैनेज कराती है. मतलब इनको लगता है कि मैं ज़िंदगी से बहुत दूर हूँ. So, we'll have a challenge. Let's see who wins that. So, this is a fun challenge. This is a box into which a mithai goes in. Each one of us will put our hand through this box and try what the mithai is.
So, this is Son Papdi.
This is the easy one.
This is Kalakand.
ये अनफेयर चैलेंज है, ये क्या है ये?
This is Patisa. Badam Patisa.
स्लैम डंक है. कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मिठाई रखनी पड़ेगी.
यही है स्टॉक में. बाकी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक.
ओके. अच्छा, ये तो पूरा डिजास्टर होने वाला है ऐसा.
बर्फी.
ये मोतीचूर का लड्डू. ओके,
लेट्स सी.
कंफर्म तो करना पड़ेगा. This is बेसन का लड्डू.
I can't tell you the result.
I think it's बेसन का लड्डू, this one.
And the third one?
I don't know. This is...
You can give up.
Okay, let me go for it. I think this is besan and this is panjeeri ka laddu. Karan, your turn.
Let's see if I guess it correctly or not.
बर्फी है तो clear है. Milk cake था.
नहीं, you're trying to confuse me. Let me take some more time too.
You can taste it.
This is tasting me a lot. You can't do that.
I can't go wrong with this one because this is my all-time favorite, Doda Barfi.
This ये तो आपका famous है. हाँ?
Okay, this is too soft. So I guess this is Moong Dal Barfi.
Moong dal,
right?
Moong dal.
Yeah, he's right.
Okay.
Okay, 2 are done. Let me try to guess. This is also a square shape.
I think दोनों same दे दिया इसका.
हाँ, correct. Confuse करनी है, same है ये.
क्या है ये? Is this a besan barfi?
So these two guys are supposed to get it right. They got it right. I by chance got it right. So we ended up with a tiebreaker. So now there's apparently one sweet which has been put inside this, and the same sweet. We're going to try and guess which one is it. Looks like...
Are these 3 sweets again?
No, it looks like 2 this time.
2 this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one, these are Bengali sweets types something. Okay. Okay, fair. I'll see.
Did you get both of them?
I'm getting it, yeah. One sec. I got it.
You got it?
I think so.
Okay, your turn.
If they haven't really messed it up for me, let me try to guess. Okay, I get it.
वो सब रोज बेचते उसको तो बताना चाहिए.
बहुत कुछ रोज बेचते हैं. Okay, I got it.
All three got it right, but Karan was the fastest. So the winner is Karan.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
So tell me, this is fascinating. Your grandfather came from Pakistan?
Yes.
Yeah.
In Pakistan, we had this mithai business.
अच्छा वहाँ पे था ये से business.
So in 47, they moved here to Gurgaon.
So we continued that legacy here in Gurgaon. So he started with a small sweet shop.
In a day, only 2 to 3 kg sweets they used to make early in the morning to sell it by the end of the day.
अब कितना है? अब per day कितना?
Abhi we are doing close to 8 to 10,000 kg per day on a regular day.
Sweets.
Festivals are separate. And namkeen we are doing 5,000 kg per day, and bakery around 2,000 kg.
So total 2 kg से 15-16,000 kg per day.
And we are expanding.
So you guys finished your graduation, did things before joining the business, but your dad I think had to join quite early, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So when our grandfather passed away, that was around in 1977. During this time, they had to join the business full time, getting up at 5 a.m. every day, preparing sweets and savories and selling it.
So, but the name, which is Om Sweets, came from your father.
Yes, my father.
Right. When did the thought come कि इसको expand करना है?
So my father and my family, so they introduced tikki chole. So सुबह 5 o'clock से सुबह बनाना शुरू tikki समोसे. So we started snacks item. So that time it became a big hit. I'm talking about 40 years back. तब से फिर we started introducing new items and all.
Today how many outlets total?
Today we have 20 outlets, retail outlets.
So this show is called Tikki Talk. We eat together. That's a tradition we have on this show. All right, can we have the tikkis, please? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. तो खासे बताइए कि मतलब क्वालिटी इज अप टू मार्क होगा. यहाँ पे लोग छोले के साथ खाते हैं
छोले के साथ
दही एंड चटनी.
यहाँ पे दही चटनी छोले सब कुछ नहीं है.
So tell me, I heard that you guys are planning exports, or you already do exports?
We do export. We are present in Gulf.
Do you plan to open outlets also abroad?
Yes, Dubai and Canada.
So yeah, we're focusing on export. Other than that, also general trade, modern trade, and expanding our FMCG business across India.
All right, best of luck.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
So this was a episode of Tikki Talk. I'm doing all the work here, talking to fun people. But you let me know what you want to hear next. Who do you want on the show next, or what do you want me to do? Love to hear that in the comments. Thank you.